Good day, everyone. This is a tutorial for my modified Imperial tank. But that's not the important part. It's really about this ATRT. It's kind of like ATRT. Let me explain. So, this ATRT I made out of some parts I had in my collection. It has a few studs still showing, and the wrong color for this thing because I didn't have enough studs. But I had this Imperial logo, 2 of these, and I slapped them on there. These are movable joints that you can move the I guess, oh, that popped off, elbows. And you can transport it on this tank I have that I modified on these like invisible studs, and it actually goes in one of these middle clips, I guess. I'm gonna do a tutorial using a reverse film technique. So I'm gonna take this apart and I'm gonna reverse the footage so that it looks like I'm putting it all together. Of course, I'm gonna leave these guys out because they're not important. Just so you know, this is my first time doing this type of YouTube video, so I'm not that good at it. I hope that I'll get better at it soon. And if you guys subscribe and like, I definitely will be able to be better at this. Okay, to the tutorial. So these are the pieces that you're gonna need. So let me give an overview. 6 of these clips, I would say, or clippable pieces, and 4 of these clips, okay? Then 5 of these ski pieces. Now this is a combination, okay? So this is one of these pieces, and then a handlebar, but it's just pain in the butt to take them apart. Both dark gray. Most of the pieces here are dark gray. Then we have 8 of these unistud pieces. Then 2 of these wing pieces. Then there's 4 2x2 unitile piece. Then this clip piece. And then 4, oh, voice crack, 4 of these curved underside pieces. And then, so 1 doesn't have printing. And also, sorry for my fingernails. I bite them a lot. But then 1 of them is also printed. Then there's these side pieces. These, it's 1. Then I didn't have space for these, but I have one version of these where it tilts down like this, and I have a version that tilts up like this. Now it'll make sense in the tutorial, which I have already started. Like I said, it was going to be reversed. But then there's this edged piece. So these are 2 different pieces. They look like they're part of the same set. But then this is one that has like a big bar on it, handlebar, which is different from these ones, just so you know. And then there's this 2x1, now that's special. Okay. Then 6 2x2s, right? Yeah, this is a 2x2. And then 1 3x2 flat handle here clip piece. Then these cheese pieces. Then these also is clip pieces. And then 2x1 flat. Then I think those are 5 grill pieces. And then these are 4 of the curved ones that go on the legs. Then there's this really not special light transparent 2x4 2x2 piece. Jeez. Then 3 of these 1x4 pieces. And then these also handlebar pieces, which are like used for seats. These are for the joints of the legs, really aesthetic purposes. Imperial flat pieces, they're just normal. They're this pieces, but without a hole, and then a sticker over them. Now, the stickers are necessary, and these pieces are really unnecessary. And you could just use a different piece instead of that. I just have them from dropship, but you don't have to use them. Then this 2x2 curved piece with a cross through it. Then it's this piece, but with like extra things on it. So that's cool. These side pieces, now they're going on the legs too. They really hold on to a lot of the detail. Now, you can replace this one with a normal one. I just didn't have this one on me. So that's all. 3 of these pieces, 4 of these pieces, and 4 of those pieces. Now, I'm not sure, but I think these pieces are a little bit rare because they go, I'm not sure about this, they go only in a few sets like the Imperial Star Destroyer. Sad story. I used to have an Imperial Star Destroyer, but I was too young. I for this set. And everybody was so proud of getting me it. And I never built it. And its pieces are still on my closet. I'm not going to show you. It's too dirty. And, yeah, so I use them for a lot of mocks. Well, Okay, we're just finishing up here. Clicking on these pieces. Getting the back gunner area done. Well, thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.